In this problem, it is given A, B, C are cube roots of unity. Students, we know that A, B, C now will correspond to what is it? 1 omega and omega square, right? They are the cube roots of unity, such that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0 and omega cube is equal to 1. That is, here A plus B plus C should be equal to 0. Correct or not? A plus B plus C should be equal to 0. That's the meaning of it. So now what we'll do, we will split this determinant. According to the property of the determinant, we can write like this, right? E power A, e power 2A into e power 3A, e power B, e power 2B into e power 3B into e power C, e power 2C, e power 3C. We have seen the splitting property in the synopsis of determinant, yes or no? If you have not seen that, you have to go back to the synopsis and refer it. So we can, the property allows us to split the determinant like this, because the third column element is expressed as the sum of two or more terms. So I can take out the minus sign out here and I can write here like this, e power B, e power 2B and then 1, e power C, e power 2C and 1. Is it okay? Now you can take out e power A common from the first row like this. Then you can take out e power B common from the second row and e power C common from the third row. Is it okay? So what do you get? 1, 1, 1. And then e power 2A. So here we are left with e power A, e power B, e power C, and then e power 2A, e power 2B and e power 2C. Is it okay? E power 2C. E power 2C minus of e power A, e power B, e power C, e power 2A, e power 2B and e power 2C and then 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. This I can write it equal to e to the power A plus B plus C, e power A plus B plus C. Now all of you see here, there is one more property, interchanging property. First what we'll do, we'll interchange column 1 with column 3 of this part. We'll interchange column 1 with column 3 and then interchange column 2 with column 3. Correct? So what happens to the value of the determinant? Delta will become equal to minus delta, and here delta will become equal to minus of minus delta. Yes or no? 2 times value of the determinant. When 2 times we are interchanging, each time the determinant value will become negative. So here there are 2 times the value is becoming negative here. So what do we get here now? I can get e to the power A plus B plus C into 1 e power A into e power 2A, 1 e power B into e power 2B, 1 e power C into e to the power 2C into e to the power 2C minus of. Now I can write after interchanging operation same way, right? 1, 1, 1 e to the power A, e to the power B, e to the power C, and then e to the power 2A, e to the power 2B and e to the power 2C. I repeat here, column 1, column 3 you interchange. After you finish that, then you interchange column 2 and column 3 after you finish performing this operation. So when you interchange any 2 rows or columns according to the property, the value of the determinant will become negative. Second time, negatives negative will become positive. Correct or not? So here I can say e power A plus B plus C minus 1, because I'll take out this common. Okay, what is common? 1 e power A, e power 2A, 1 e power B, e power 2B and 1 e power C and e to the power 2C. Is it okay? So now e power A plus B plus C is equal to 0, right? If you concentrate on this part, e power 0 minus 1 into something here, this determinant. Okay, into this determinant. I'll not waste time writing this. E power 0 is 1 minus 1 into this determinant. 0 into that determinant. 0 into determinant is equal to what? 0 will be the answer to the question.